afternoon out there in the mini grass. Good afternoon out there in the mini grass. 919 Northern Cal, we're standing by. Have yourself a super fine one. 646 and a better one tomorrow. That'll be for sure. 646 on Radio Snatch on this backside of California. Getting on down. I'll see ya.
Right on 33 in the mini grass. Mr. 709, working the Evergreens up in the northwest corner. Out here around the west side, I just got there.
Be good down there, 33. Welcome to the weekend, my friend, on them Rival Rock. Mr. 709, working your mail one more time out of the Evergreen Spokane, getting on down.
Go with me, I'll get them their own sandwich. Hey, 33, can I get mine by itself? 33 BreadMan on this Johnson, I just got down. Ella. I guess 33 got on out of there. I guess 33 got out of there, bread on his transmitter's gone. I see a BreadMan. Hey, 33, I see a BreadMan, I'm gone.
Hey, BreadMan, 83 a minute, guys. 83 a minute, guys. BreadMan, 83, said aloha.
Double O, with a wave. Aloha.
Hi, BreadMan, 83 a minute, guys, said aloha.
Who is that in the mini grass say aloha, man? Cause that coming get his stuff.
Oh, 33, all right. BreadMan, the 83, BreadMan, 83, say good evening time. Hello, Mr. BreadMan, 83 in the grass, said aloha to your gal.
83, there it is right there, 83. Cause see, that kind of he don't want to participate in the solo speech lesson out there that I was trying to get up. 83, see, you participate on that cup making in. Hey, 83, you ain't telling me no chocolate with no peanuts or no raisins with no chocolate. Hello, T83 bread got down.
Shake 33. This has some banana bread on this here, no doubt about it. Mr. BreadMan with the banana bread around the minute grass. 83 said aloha, I'm gone now.
I talked to him, and he was pretty nice about it.
No copy, no contact, BreadMan. Bye, bread, put on your later. Aloha.
Hey, 83, boy, it got rough, man. Hey, 83, man, you sure got a whole bunch of people, man. Hey, 83, I hope you got enough Hawaiian bread for everybody. Everybody want bread. 83, old bread. Say, I sure hope you got enough Hawaiian bread for everybody. 83, bread. Hey, 133, what you do, man? Hey, 123. You must have went to the gas station. Everybody. Hey, 123, look what you did. Hey, 123, all by yourself, old bread I got there. Right on, bad boy. I thought 33 couldn't hear over there. They come in here a whole bunch of bone beats in the radio now.
Work it in Honolulu, work it in Honolulu, work it in Honolulu. Shake it in California, shake it up in California. Earthquake says shaka shaka. Alright, Earthquake, take it, Earthquake, Earthquake, Mod Squad gone, aloha. Aloha. Bye. You're out in the trail over there. Huh? I say surrounded by mobiles, man. I'm parked right in the mobiles, yeah. They're coming down the road now, then. Yeah, I don't know if they're parking by me, but yeah, I think a couple there. But I surrounded by mobiles here. They're all my ground plane. Check on that. You get the big ground parking lot, ground plane. Mod Squad gone, aloha. You shaking them, Earthquake, you shaking them. Take it, Earthquake, Mod Squad gone. I didn't tell you. I was telling you. Every time one game ends, a new game starts, people keep changing. People going in and out, in and out. Hey, Mod Squad, hear you talking. Mod Squad, hear you in Honolulu. Mod Squad can hear you in Honolulu. Aloha. Mod Squad, Rehab, I heard you too, Rehab. Have a good one, Rehab. Mod Squad, Mobile. Aloha. Hey, Mr. Squealing, bad boy. Mr. Squall, my brother. Loaded mag. I'm on your left.
All right, this is how it works.
Come inside till you see one opening on where I stay. Aloha. I'm gonna take your mic short now. Bye, skyscraper, Earthquake.
Yeah, it's what we noticed that last night.
Hello there. Have a good one, Mod Squad gone. Hello, Earthquake away. Man, you lost that squall. Earthquake, you lost Earthquake. I'm upset again. I know. You're out, dude. Stand for Earthquake. Hey, shake. Aloha, pineapple juice. Aloha. Hey, you gotta park behind me. You guys have a good one, Mod Squad. Move. Sounding good now, bad boy. What they gonna do when you come for you? Wait a little while.
I had to work things out here around this west side. Let's see what kind of hell I got out there, old Bread got there. I brought you back to know.
No, I get things from China on that.
And Brad, come down into the mini grass. Old Brad wanted to know if he can come to the mini grass. Old Brad got down. I sure appreciate that, bad boy. Walk it out a little bit. Nice. Hey, bad boy, I'm just trying to walk it out a little bit, bad boy. Brad got down.
Okay, well, I think you guys
Because you're shaking it.
should